Hello, and welcome to Durham College's virtual open house. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Marissa, and I am a Durham College Student Recruitment Officer. I'm here to show you how to navigate Durham College's virtual open house event and all of the great features available today. Before we get started, I'd like to give you a quick overview about Durham College. Durham College is a medium-sized college located in the Durham region, just about an hour east of Toronto. Durham has a campus in Oshawa, and that campus has the majority of our full-time programs. We have about 10,000 full-time students at the Oshawa campus. We also share that campus with Ontario Tech University. As well, Durham College has a campus in Whitby, and that campus has about 3,000 full-time students. The Whitby campus is also where we offer our apprenticeship training. Today's virtual open house will give you the opportunity to learn more about our amazing programs and services, as well as the opportunity to connect with faculty members and student services representatives, the opportunity to take a virtual tour, and the opportunity to connect with our admissions and recruitment teams to find out more about applying to Durham and how to accept an offer of admissions. Start your day by familiarizing yourself with the tabs at the top of the virtual open house website, and take some time to look through the virtual open house homepage, which you can access by clicking the tab Open House. The president of Durham College, Don Lavisa, the vice president academic, Elaine Pop, and the dean of students, Tara Koski, are thrilled to welcome you to the virtual open house event, and you can find their welcome videos by visiting the virtual open house homepage. As well, our students have created welcome videos to welcome you to this virtual open house event and to welcome you to Durham College. Take some time to go through these videos and see why our students, employees, and Durham College leadership team love DC. The tabs at the top of the virtual open house website will provide you access to more information, videos, and live sessions. If you're interested in exploring programs offered by Durham College and connecting with faculty via live sessions, please visit the Explore Programs Options tab. If you have a program in mind, please visit the Program Finder tab to search for your program of interest and to connect with faculty via live sessions. Our recruitment, admissions, and Office of the Registrar teams are here to help with questions regarding how to apply, how to accept an offer of admissions, and next steps. Click on the Admissions tab to start the conversation and join the live session with our admissions, Office of the Registrar, and recruitment teams. If you are an international prospective student or international applicant and have questions about applying, accepting an offer, or next steps, please connect with our international team by joining their live session by clicking on the International tab. If you have questions about our student services, such as the Access and Support Center or Student Academic Learning Services, or if you're looking for ways to get involved with the Durham College community as a student, please visit the Services tab for more information and to join their live session. OSAP, scholarships, bursaries, and budgeting for college are all important things to consider when thinking about post-secondary education. You can connect with our Financial Aid and Awards department by clicking on the Financial Aid tab to join their live session. If you are interested in living on campus and living in one of the 3 residence buildings at Durham College, please visit the Residence tab. You can take a virtual tour of the residence buildings and connect with the residence team. If you're looking to represent the Durham Lords, interested in joining an intramural league, or want to learn more about Durham College athletics, please visit the Athletics tab to join their live session. Want to experience our campus? We have virtual tours available of both our Oshawa and Whitby campuses. Take the time to explore our campuses virtually by visiting the Virtual Tour tab. Lastly, please visit the Win tab to enter your name into a draw for a $1,000 Durham College tuition credit. If you filled out the pop-up form that appeared when you first visited the virtual open house website today, you have already entered the draw. The live sessions with faculty and student services today will be available through the Google Meet platform. Please feel free to use the live chat function to connect with us and ask any questions you may have. As a reminder, the content on the virtual open house website will continue to be available after the event. However, the live sessions will only be available during the event. On behalf of everyone at Durham College, I want to say thank you for attending this virtual fall open house event. We're so happy to have you join us today. I hope this event shows you how Durham College is leading the way.